Hey, I am Capri and this channel is about hula hooping. This video is a tutorial for a trick which is called palm spin or palm twist. Yeah, whatever the name, just grab your hoop and let me show you how to do it, and pick the one that is quite small and not too heavy, okay? Let's go. Just before we begin, I don't have a super high ceiling here, and you don't need one as well, okay? Maybe I won't be able to extend the arm fully with my hoop to show it to you like this, but maybe I'm gonna do it like this, okay? The most important is what we want to learn here will be the palm spin, okay? So the trick itself, and then how to enter it from the motion, okay? There is a little magic going on here. I like to explain it this way. Some people stop me and call it like, no, it's pure physics or it's super logical to explain. But for me, there is this magic in this motion that, first of all, you are entering this magical spot like on a skate ramp that you go up and find this like for milliseconds weightless spot, like this void before dropping down, okay? So it's something that you want to be aware of while performing the palm spin, okay? That you want to find like to lose the weight of your hoop while spinning it on your hand, okay? Then the second thing is understanding the central spot or the central axis of your movement, okay? So maybe by putting it on the ground, you can notice it and stay aware about this, how the hoop will be actually spinning on your palm of your hand, okay? So try this and find really this central line that your hoop will be moving around, okay? Now, we will transfer it to the palm of our hand. So prepare yourself. Maybe you want to practice the hand balance for a moment, okay? If you haven't tried it before, just place the hoop on your middle finger. The palm of your hand is facing the sky, and you place the hoop in here, your middle finger and the rest of your opened palm like this, and you just try to balance on your hand. Then we will try to search for the first spin. So maybe in the beginning it will be easier to support it with the second hand, just not to, focus on staying in the first position. And then you will give it a push, not with your thumb. It will be with these little two fingers, the first one, the pinky, and its neighbor. And you will really want to catch the hoop, even with the middle finger, to give it a push in this spin to begin the movement, okay? And go for just one spin in here. So really open the hand, extend the arm in front of you, and just try to give it this push so that you can sustain the axis, the center of the move, okay? Super stable. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and one spin only and catch, okay? Maybe you want to catch it with the second hand. Maybe it will be easier in the beginning. Then, whenever you're ready, practice it a few times. Hop, 1 and 1 and 1. Let me show it to you a little closer. How do I actually make the move in here? So I'm opening my palm and giving it a little push, a little twist from the wrist, okay? So 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, hop, okay? Go by yourself, and whenever you're ready, go for 2 spins, okay? So I will go for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, okay? Maybe give it a little more push, maybe go a little faster, and go for as much as you can. Hop, 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 okay? All right, the second step will be to enter the move from the motion. So my favorite way is to enter from here, hop, and enter the palm spin, hop, okay, like this. Either I do it up here, or maybe I do it on the second side, or maybe I do it above me, or maybe I do it above my head. Okay, so I like to enter from the hand, from the side of the hand that I'm holding the hoop, to transfer it, give it this speed, this momentum, and then add it this spin on my palm. Hop, okay? So grab the hoop like this, catching it from the front, Place it on the right side of your body, or if you hold it in the left hand, then on the left side of your body, and repeat like mirroring. Okay, then go forward, up. Here I will open my palm and give it a spin from my wrist up. Open the palm and try to catch it. Also remember, you can help yourself with the second hand in the beginning. However, be careful with this, because if you create this habit, it might be difficult to go out, okay? So this is the basic, the base of this tutorial, and let me give you some additional tips. It tends to be somehow pretty abstract to listen to the theories about the trick to people who are trying to learn them, okay? So I won't leave you with these only, but yeah, there is a lot of things to figure out on yourself and try it out on yourself. It's like similar with any other trick, but here it depends on how you feel it more, either to push it from the twist of your wrist or maybe simply from the fingers, just opening the hand and giving it a push with the fingers. So try both ways, okay? So from the wrist, really like twisting the wrist a little, and by opening the fingers like super dynamically, okay? So try both ways. Also remember about entering from the motion, okay? Not only static, so I'm not only staying in here, hop, and trying this one. You can place it on the base of your fingers, in the middle of your palm, or spin the hoop on your fingers actually, okay? Then the other thing is that it is not only possible to perform the spin here up above my hand, but also in this position here, okay? Here, or maybe on the other side, okay? So like a horizontal palm spin. I'm really bad at naming the tricks. Like I focus on the flow and on learning and transmitting it, but I was always pretty bad at names. So if you know any other good name for it, maybe it's like a separate tricks that I'm teaching here, okay? So try also from this momentum, and now go back to the beginning when I was talking about this magical highest point of the movement, to suspend the hoop in the air for a moment, like for a short moment here, boom, to lose its weight, boom, and give it this spin here, hop, and just open your palm and catch it back again, okay? So try in different positions, not only above your palm. Yeah, down here it's a different thing, probably. This already is called maybe like a floor twist or something like this, but it's also the same rule, that you are opening your palm and letting the hoop touch it in one spot and spin around, okay? So also, if you don't have this super high ceiling, go down on your knee and try up above your head to extend the arm. This is a beautiful entrance to a lot of other tricks, and the next tutorial will be to enter from here into the escalator. Sorry for the mic hit. I really hope you like this tutorial. If so, leave me some sign of your presence here, the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the rest of the tutorials from the 30 tutorials list. And let's learn to hula hoop, okay? I see you in the next one.